Today our topic is how to make money from real estate and how become millionaire from real estate. And the real estate is the only business who make maximum millionaire in the world. And in real estate, we have two different parts like builder, capital, one to tier to take to process to become millionaire. Dealer are the second step of real estate, who do zero investment and 1 2 month and number of deal and become generate money by the easy skills, experience, networking, and mindset. We have to develop a skill. We have to develop a skill like communication skill, relationship building skill, network skill, personality, and become for selling plots and real estate, like buildings and housing apartments, and to customer and become rich. And in like Noida, we have if you sell 1 crore house, then we have to take 2% commission on every sale of 1 crore house. So we have to become rich initially, gradually, and become rich. And real estate are the real millionaire are from real estate. We have to focus on real estate and become rich. And lands are only asset that does not appreciate, so focus on lands and sell to different people and become rich. And there are another process is that you are the average of 5 people living together, so make a circle of a real estate builder and dealer and become gain knowledge and become rich by selling product. And different process like facebook ads and Facebook ads and ads like AdSense and different process. We have to generate leads and take client to sell products. And we have different sites like 99 acres, magic brick, housing.com, and they have different packages to sell products. If you like our ideas, to then like, subscribe, share my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.